Morning. No time for chit chat. We're behind for the week. These bombs that have accidentally been activated are really starting to stack. Here are two of them now.
Okay, cut all wires next to the yellow wires.
So 3 lang.
Next to the, okay. Do not cut wire 3 if it is red. Okay, cut it. Even if other rules say that you should. Okay, but
cut the first wire if it is blue. The second wire if it is red. The third wire if it is green. And the fourth wire if it is yellow. Cut all wires next to yellow wire. So I cut yung
3 pa lang din.
Cut all wires next to the yellow wire. Cut all
3
wires.
lang, di ba?
do not cut wire 3. On sino yung page 4? Page 4.
Kasi red lang naman eh.
wala na page 4. So
Do not cut wire 3. O 3 lang. Eh kaso may sinabi kay do not cut
the third wire if it's green. They cut.
Eh, blue. O 3 lang. 3 lang.
Okay lang din.
Do not
Fourth wire. Cut the fourth wire if it's yellow.
4.
Only Dita.
Page 3 ako.
Only intern John Dita can cut wires next to the white wires.
Ito lang daw pwede sa
2 and 4 lang pwede kita. Go.
Sa akin, naman, cut all wires that are not the first or fourth wire.
What's the fourth wire?
Cut all wires that are
So 2 pa lang pwede i-cut. Ako. Do not cut the third wire. Even if you say that you should.
Wait. Cut all blue wires that are next to yellow wires. Wala blue wires. Ano
cut all
ba?
wires. You died. Ha? First and second dapat.
Nakat yung 1.
All wires that got the first.
Day ba to?
Ha?
Hanggang anong day?
Sunday?
Hanggang Sunday?
Friday, MC naman yun eh. So,
Pwede work from home.
Red flag.
Ano?
Next one.
ang tagal